Welcome back to the channel, guys. It's been a minute since we last uploaded, but we're back on YouTube, back uploading, back trying to be consistent. So if you haven't guessed already, we're going to be installing a full Miltek Race system exhaust. It's a 3-inch system. We'll also be installing a new downpipe as well. So if you're new to the channel, do subscribe. I hope you guys enjoy the video, and let's just jump straight in. Pretty much laid out the whole exhaust system on the floor now. I'll show you guys now. So we've obviously got the downpipe, which is a 3-inch downpipe as well. Obviously sports cap because decat's illegal. The center res here. We've got the back box here as well. Nice Milltek plaque there. If it focuses, nice Milltek plaque. We've got the back box as well. Obviously the Golf R's are like a 2 exit going down the middle. And we've got these lovely, I think 4-inch slash cut polish tips, which will look very, very clean on the white car as well. So I can't wait to put this on. The car's on the ramp all ready to go. We just need to lift it up a bit. We've got to take this cover off. No. Turbo's back down there. We've got to take all that off. There's a little heat shield here we've got to take off as well. Then we have access to the turbo. And I think there's 4 nuts holding it. Don't ask me what mil they are, but we take them off. So I think we can get to 2 from up here and then 2 from the bottom. It's pretty tight on these Golf R's, so I believe you do have to take off the drive shaft and then move that to the right so you've got access to take the downpipe off. So we'll do that now and hopefully it should all be good.
Alright, are you gonna jump in and yank it? Bro, there's 2 rubber grommets behind.
Bro, I'm sure I could do it right now. Flipping over.
I was joking. Did you film that?
Yeah.
Yeah! Yeah! Yeah, that was mad.
Alright, so after all that madness, we got the engine cover out, got it off. Just got the trusty WD fart here. I just sprayed up the 4 nuts that we got to take off, let that soak in for a bit, and then we can attempt to take them off. That's the O2 sensor out. Cool. Two nuts. Again, this was the first one. Whole stud came off, but that's okay because we can just put the whole thing on. And I think there's one more to get. Ah, but the light keeps falling. Oh, that's gone, that's gone. Mechanic core. It's a hard graft. Respect to all the mechanics out here. I ain't no mechanic here. I'm just a guy with half a brain, a device that tells me what to do, i.e. ChatGPT and YouTube. And that's it, bro. Apart from that, I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, imagine you drop these nuts down there, you ain't ever getting them back. Number 3. Cool. So now we're gonna raise up the car. So we should probably take this stuff off. Kind of hard to pick up with the camera, but you can see the drive shaft, which is there. We're gonna pull that back, move it to the left, and then that will give us access to the 4th nut, which is literally at the bottom of the downpipe. As you can see, there's the prop shaft. We're gonna undo these bolts, and then it's kind of hard to see. It's a bit dark, but the camera ain't focusing. There's a bolt literally there. You can see it that we got to remove. So once we remove that, and we put the prop shaft, we undo it and pull it to the right, we should be able to wiggle out the downpipe. In theory, that's what we have to do, but we'll see how it goes. So we've got a 4th knot off. So now it's just time to remove the prop shaft and hopefully wiggle it out. This is the multi-point 10 mil multi-point that you use to take off the prop shaft. So we're gonna slap this on a gun and then hopefully it will come off. Well, it will come off actually. Cool, so we've removed the prop shaft, sorry, we've pushed it to the right. So that's given us more room to play with. If it focuses, yep. I've removed this O2 sensor as well, that was in here. So that's been pulled out. I've WD-40'd all the bits that we're gonna take off, so it should be easier for us. So now I'm gonna get to work removing these and removing the bushes as well, so that it should all just come off. Bumper clock. Bro, this tool is sick, bro. This is the best tool.
You see it?
Yeah. Oh. Coming like one bazooka, bro. I don't know how man do this on a day-to-day, bro. We got the old downpipe off. 1 cat, 2 cat, double cat. This all comes off. Obviously, we get a new clip with our new system as well, which is these. So we don't have to reuse that. So now let's get to work fitting the new system. All right guys, so the old exhaust is off now. Here it is, sitting there. So that's all off. New one's here, ready to go on. We're gonna start from obviously downpipe and then make our way backwards all the way to the tips. Thing I did forget was some exhaust paste. So I'm literally just waiting for that now. So we can paste up the exhaust so it doesn't leak, so we don't get any like weird sounds or anything like that. And then we'll put it on basically how we took it off. Hopefully it's easier because we've created a bit of space now. And then we'll get a final sound clip, make sure everything's all right. And the next video, we'll start the intercooler or coilovers. I don't know which one. Probably we'll do the intercooler first because I reckon that would probably take a bit longer than the coilover install. Probably around the same time, but it's a downpipe and intercooler I need done before my car gets mapped. So we'll get that done first. That's priority. And then we'll do all the suspension stuff, get it sitting nice. I got some sick wheels to go on as well. What else have I got to go on? I've got a big brake kit for my Aston Martin DB9 to go on here as well, so that's gonna be sick. Obviously standard brakes. These are actually relatively big for standard, but we've got some bigger ones to go on. Same size 335mm discs, but a lot bigger calipers. We've got them paint matched to match the white body as well, so it should be really nice.
You see what I mean, innit?
Yeah. What about that thing though? That metal thing?
That's what I said. Slide it on it.
There we go.
Oh,
Yeah. ML.
yeah, but I can't tighten too much.
I'll do it hand tight now, innit?
Huh?
Should I just leave it like that or should I do it tight? Bit tight.
If you like
Guys,
that.
what card you got? Drop in the comments.
Should I grab
Huh?
the next bit?
Yeah. Get me the paste first.
I've had to go source some exhaust paste for these guys.
Show them the thing, show them the thing.
All
I show them the thing.
What? Oh,
Pipe.
that
Pipe.
is what they're fitting onto the Mark.
Show them this. Yeah. Installs. You know the thing.
What card everyone got? Evo 8.
That's fast.
Evo 8 FQ3.
That's like this. No way.
Hold that end. You hold the end.
You haven't followed me already, follow me. We're just fitting the Milltek exhaust.
This way.
Like that, yeah.
Ask him if they want a Mark 5 PTI DHS stage
Nah.
R-Tech.
Ooh, I'll take it.
Get me them grips.
Where the grips, bro?
Huh?
Very good.
You hold that. Let me get the
What
grips.
does FQ stand for?
That's the type of Evo 8.
How fast is your Evo 8? And is it modified? I have a BMW X3 Polo.
That's fast. I've got a VW Polo.
You know, each to their own, everyone has their own preference. If you're happy with the Polo, that's fine. But yeah, guys, what cars do you guys have? Drop in the comments. I have a M240. So what car has everyone?
Alright, cool.
Right guys, that's the full system fitted. With all the bushes on, this bracket's back on, O2 sensors back on. Also this is a new bracket from Miltek as well, which is on too. So that's not going anywhere. That's solid. Guys, now we're gonna lower it, get some sound clips, and do a first startup. So let's see how it sounds. All right. Not too bad, but we can definitely improve that. I'm ready.
Alright, 3, 2, 1.
Massive improvement from stock. Oh,
You can hear the turbo. You can hear the soft limiter, innit?
Alright guys, so that's the exhaust fully fitted. As you can see, we're gonna get some sound clips now, go out on the road and see how it sounds in the car as well. In the car now, gonna get some sound checks, sound clips. Let's get it.
Again, bro.
man.
Oh, we got thank, bro. Actually, not.
Gonna end the video there. That was the exhaust install of the Downpipe and the Miltek full race non-res system. Hopefully you guys can obviously hear the difference through the mic. It does sound pretty good. There is a massive difference. The next video we're going to be doing the intercooler or possibly the coilovers. I don't know which one yet. But if you guys want to see that, do like, subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Peace.